Every day you repeat this routine a dozen times. After numerous espresso cups, your muscles may hurt, and it's not every time you can get a perfectly pressed coffee. Cinoart Automatic Coffee Tamper is a perfect solution. It's an adjustable, electronic tamping device for pristine coffee powder pressing in 1 second. It's a reliable partner for your coffee machine because the automatic powder press greatly improves the coffee production quality and the taste of coffee. The Cinoart Automatic Tamper has 3 modes for easy switching. It offers quick and useful settings to change depending on the coffee bean type. The pressure level can be easily configured from 2 to 38 pounds and remembered thanks to pressure memory function. As a result of excellent tamping, you'll get a smooth, balmy coffee from your coffee machine. Simple and fast. The Cinoart Automatic Tamper operation is easy to master in just a few minutes, even by non-professional coffee lovers at home. Now you don't have to be an expert to make a perfect coffee. Cinoart. Easy, quick, smart.